So here's how to find and sync contacts on Facebook. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now here you have to click on the notification if you have a new account, or simply click on the friend requests option, or you can simply click on the find friends option here. Once you click on it, now you will be able to see this option here. Once you click on the upload contacts option, now it will start uploading your phone contacts to your Facebook account. Now here you have to click on the get started option. Once you click on this, now here as you can see that my contact lists are being synced. Now you have to wait for the process until it's done. As you can see from my contact list, there is no person on the Facebook. However, when you perform this action on your Facebook account, then it will start loading all of the contacts of your phone. To see all of your contacts on Facebook, you must ensure that they have added their phone number to Facebook profiles. If someone doesn't allow the Facebook to show their contacts via phone number, then you will not be able to view their profiles. So this is how to add your contacts or sync your contacts on Facebook.